Good afternoon. It has been a beautiful day here. Just beautiful. So I hope it's nice where you're at. Thought we'd work a little on this, but before this, I want to show you. I started on my big piece, and so far this is what I've gotten. I'm gonna outline everything on here, yes, and then I'm gonna start embroidering it in. So I want you to see the progress. Now, that might not be the right way of doing it, but that's how I'm doing it. I hope everyone's had a good day. Me and Bella's had a good day. We went to Walmart with the neighbors across the street so I could pick me up some biscuits for biscuits and gravy in the morning. And the diamond paintings. Oh, I stood there. I was tempted, but I didn't, because I gotta be stingy. Because of my brace, so I was very good about just walking away. Now, I'm not saying it was easy to walk away, because, they had some Christmas gnomes. They had a Santa Claus that I really liked. So, that was that part. But like I said, it was like, oh. They have a gorgeous rose. It's all different colors. But once I get my car fixed, then I can see. I'll go from there. So, no big deal. My car comes first. I went through the yarn, the floss, and got it all situated. So that's gonna be that's going to be a fun little project right there. So, that being said, oh, and they also had those 3 panels. They had a whole shelf of those. Then they had a whole shelf of just diamond paintings, which was the Christmas ones. I'm really happy that the Walmart here has got them. So, I've worked on it. That's about all I did was work on that. And did a few things I needed to do around the house. I rearranged some furniture. Went outside and pulled some weeds. Me and Bella went out, did a little bit of work out there. I got my trash taken out. And I used the last of my polyacrylic on my diamond painting to glue it to a canvas. But that stuff I had bought back in the spring. So it has lasted really good. But I can find it cheaper at Ace Hardware instead of the other little hardware store. I paid $32 for the size I've got, which is, but it's lasted since spring. And I want you to remind you of that, which that was expensive. And it, but at Ace Hardware, the same size is only 26. So, needless to say, that's where I'll be buying it from now on, is from them. This is so neat. I'm just tickled with that. Okay. yeah, I'll be going to prayer here in a little bit. So, these are very pretty colors in this. This little thing here has nothing to do with diamond painting. I just had it sitting. It's for cross stitching. Whoops. Yeah. And one more. Okay. Yeah. I just need one, and one fell out. Now, I couldn't have done that if I tried. Okay. J is 12. Whoa. Whoa. Whew. Glad that top wasn't open. That could have been bad. Real bad. So, you're probably home from work because it's after 4. And, of course, a lot of y'all are ahead of me on time. So even if you had to work, you're home. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm getting it done too quick. We won't get to spend as much time as I thought, because this was a bigger square, I thought. Because I was going to do this one, but I thought that one was bigger, and we could spend more time together. But that's that. Yeah, it did not take no time to get that done. So, yeah, that went by really quick. But I'm thankful I get to spend some time with you. So you guys have a blessed night. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little while. And I hope you're blessed night. And you hang in there. I'm getting ready for my ride to come and get me here in a little bit and head to church. So, thank you for joining me. And I appreciate you. And I'll see you in the morning. So, God bless. Bye.